Do believe in falling in love with the problem before you fall in love with the solutions.
And so when I think about the starting point for somebody thinking about AI, do you think it is better for them to really kind of map out a certain area within the business that they're thinking about and go through a bit of an exercise of either writing out those workflows, or kind of how do you get them started?
Yes. I think the key, it's a mix. I do believe in falling in love with the problem before you fall in love with the solution. So I think that's very important to be really focused on what are the things that you need to do that, to the point that you're making. But I also think you need some base AI literacy. In fact, that's what LinkedIn rated as their top 2025 skill, not just from an opinion, but from actually what's needed in jobs that are being posted today. And so I think it's really understanding what AI is possible for doing the types of problem sets, like you talked about, repetitive problems or the types of research, consolidating large sets of data, and then thinking about what problems do I have in this space? And if I had tools like this available, what would be the problems that I should really think about? So that's where I get people to start, and capturing a lot of use cases and saying, what are the big annoying problems in your world? And I'll say in the half day AI workshops that we run at WorkFast, that typically we see a lot of people, their base use cases are writing emails with AI, or they're using AI as what I would call a glorified search engine to synthesize search engine results, which are both good and a great start. But there's so many other use cases of AI. And so once we start to open their mind and thinking about, even with prompting, before you get into workflow automation and agents and all of that, there's so much that you could be done thinking it, like, again, think outside the box.